In today's video, I will tell you how you can delete or you can set auto delete messages on Telegram, through which you can clean the clutter of your Telegram, and also you can increase the performance of your phone, and also you can increase the storage of your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the application, tap on the settings icon, go to privacy and security, select the auto delete messages option and select self-destructed time according to your preference. So this is the very first way. Now, second way. If you don't want to auto delete every conversation, for this, open the specific chat, tap on the profile icon of the person, tap on more, select the auto delete messages option and select the time for deletion. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.